There. Welcome to the Northern Neck Real Estate Market Update for the week. I am Virginia Stoughton, a realtor with Isabel Horsley Real Estate here in the Northern Neck. And every week I come to you to bring you the market information on Lancaster and Northumberland counties, which are part of the Northern Neck. So first, I give some overall information on the residential market here in these two counties. So last week, there have been some big changes over the course of the week. Last week, our strength of market was 93%. And what does that mean? That is what tells us whether we are in a buyer's market or in a seller's market. So if the strength of market is 55% or higher, we are in a seller's market. And if it's below 55%, we're in a buyer's market. Last week, we were at 93%. So a pretty solid seller's market. This week, we have dropped to 68%. Like, holy cow. So we're still in a seller's market, but not by a whole lot, which blew my mind in just a week's time. We went from 87 active residential listings in both counties last week to 100 this week. And we have 68 that are pending closing or under contract. Our average days on market for these active listings is 119 days, which is down 6% from this year compared to last year. And our average list price is actually down 3% compared to last year. So now I break it down into price points because you will see there are differences in price points that are not included with the overall. So there could be some changes. Now I can say for the price points, every single price point this week has dropped in strength of market. I have never seen that in my 3 years where every price point has dropped. There's usually one or two that have gone up or stayed the same, but everyone has dropped. So 0 to 200,000, last week we were looking at 230% strength of market. This week, we are at 133%. We have 12 active listings on the market, and this is also the price point with the lowest days on market for active listings at 67 days. So even with the lowest, we are still looking at a 2-month average days on market for active listings in this price point. 200 to 400,000 has dropped to 96% strength of market. So both of these are still in a seller's market, but they have dropped. And the 200 to 400,000 is also the price point with the most inventory with 26 active listings. 400 to 600,000 is dropped to 57%. So it is just above that threshold to make it a seller's market, but just barely. There are 21 active listings in that price point. 600 to 800,000 has also dropped to 35%. Last week it was at 60%. So now it is in a buyer's market. This price point is one of two price points in a buyer's market. There are 20 active listings in this price point range. 800 to 1 million has also dropped. I'm sorry. I lied. There is one price point that has gone up. Okay, my calculations were wrong. So you can go to my website and on my blog, you will see the correct numbers. This one is one price point that has actually gone up in strength of market. It was 100% last week. It is 167% this week. So it is a strong seller's market. This one price point has gone up. This is also the price point that has the fewest active listings with only 3 in both counties. Yet, with those 3, it is also the price point with the highest days on market at 318 days. So this one is a very interesting price point. Those 3 listings have been on the market for quite some time. 1 million plus has dropped to 17% strength of market. So most certainly in a buyer's market, this strength of market is almost what I see when land is going crazy in the summer, 17%. There are 18 active listings in the 1 million plus price point. Now I'll briefly touch on some land. Our inventory for land has gone down slightly. We have 403 active listings. The strength of market is 10%, so that has actually gone up. And the average days on market is 713 days, which is down 12% from this time last year. But the average list price is up 11% compared to last year. So that is your market update, other than the little fib that I told before. One price point has gone up. Everything else has come down in strength of market. So if you have any questions about these numbers, please don't hesitate to reach out. You can also go to my blog, because numbers don't lie, and you can see all of my numbers in black and white for yourself. You can catch all my replays there. I have all my past week updates so you can compare and contrast. Again, any questions, please let me know, whether it's about these numbers, whether you're looking to buy or sell and have any real estate questions, or you want to know more about the Northern Neck. I am here. Make sure you like, follow, share wherever you are watching this video at, so make sure you don't miss my updates every week. And if you know someone looking to buy or sell, forward or share this post with them so they can get to know me a little better, and they can reach out and get some information on me as well. All right, I hope you all have a great week, and I will be back next week, hopefully with no fibs to tell. Again, thank you for joining me, and I will see you next week. Bye.